computer style.
Oh, you guys called me. How y'all guys doing out there? As you might not know, this is Young Cough once again. I haven't done one of these videos in a couple months. It's been a hard time. I've been struggling. I was doing some good sales, but then I just stopped selling. And I just went downhill, and I'm broke right now.
How broke are you?
I'm broke. Like, I ain't got nothing.
Like, how broke is broke right now?
I ain't got a chicken in my name. These ain't even my clothes I got on. Like, I went to the store. I went to Hollister, tried the clothes on and left. That's what I gotta do.
I never opened it.
Just my backpack, man. I fired the old one. That's probably why I'm like broke right now, because he was cheaper than this guy. I'm paying him a fortune. Cause I got double bags right now.
Dang.
This is my house.
Dang.
Like, I take this and I'm moving. I don't got no car. You see, as you see me on the metro. So that's the story of my life. I'm trying to rap wherever I can. I mean, I rapped at Subway the other day. They gave me a free foot long. The best gig I've done so far was probably Kroger's. That was a nice one. Old people was like yelling my name. I took her shirt off. That's about it. I got my crew with me again, but we had a new addition. We got 2 new additions. See right here? That's a little squirt. He coming out. Like, that's my prodigy. That's enough of him. That's enough. That's my little prodigy right there. As you can see, he's trying to rap like me, but I'm trying to change his technique up, you know?
That's the wrong hand.
I know. It's getting a little chilly, so I gotta put my gloves on. But as y'all also notice, I got the same jacket on as the last video. That's how broke I am. Like, I cry myself to sleep every night. Every night. I'm trying to write rhymes and I can't. I'm going through depression. Like, nobody would sign me. Like, why? Is it like, what's wrong with me? So I'm begging you, please help me. I'm struggling. My backpack, man, he needs something to hold. Little squirt, he needs something to spit off of. Killer Cam, she needs something to record. Like, what are we doing? Help me, please. And you know, sometimes I try so hard to put myself back into the situation that I was. No, get off of me, get off me, give me my space. I've been trying my best.
Back up.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm sorry.
You alright?
We still kill babies. You thought I was crying? You think I'm soft? I ain't soft. I eat turkey bones for dinner. I'm talking about I'm soft because I'm crying. Man, what you mean?
Are you upset?
You're like tired. You're tired right now. You're tired. You are. He is in this stuff that's like.
You guys pick on me every day about how soft I am.
But I help you.
But it's not. I'm not soft.
You're not helping right now.
Just because I can express my feelings don't mean nothing. We wrong. Alright? We wrong. Let me tell y'all about the future, alright? This is what I got. In the future, I got this new mixtape coming out. It's gonna be nice, alright? It
What's
don't got
the
a
name of
title.
it this time?
It don't got a title yet. I'm in the process of working on it.
Okay.
I got some main artists on the track. You know, I got Lil Brain. He coming in. Not Lil Wayne, Lil Brain. He coming in from North Dakota. I got Tigger. He coming from Utah. I got Yo Gabba Gabba. That's her right there. She trying to cover up.
I'm a true thug, I can't be seen.
I don't know about that. But I got Pigeon Man, not Birdman, Pigeon Man. He coming up. The track list is nice, you know. Like I'm gonna have like 100 tracks on that thing, and this is gonna be banging. Like Cincinnati ain't never hit no fire like this before. Like
Real raw.
I made this on the toilet. That's how dedicated I am. I take the studio wherever I go. If I'm on the toilet, I will put that mug in front of me and rap while I'm on the toilet.
Real raw.
With the toilet flush. You know how Lil Wayne got his lighter? I got the toilet flush. Who messing with that? Huh? Who doing that in the game? Nobody.
Look bad.
Rick Ross, he got that. I don't do that. Because Rick Ross, don't nobody do, what's that? You gotta let them hear you.
Your hat fell.
It's cool.
Okay.
My backpack man got me. Now, like I was telling y'all before, I was getting tatted. That never happened. I cried too, but it never happened. I'm still trying to get tatted. The closest thing I got is this. That's a tat right there. This forever, so technically it's a tat. I'm gonna color it black. Maybe that works. But the mixtape should be coming out in the next 30 minutes. It's done already. I was just holding it, like waiting to the right time to do it. And I think now it's the right time. That bus driver needs to slow down. She almost knocked me over. Nah, I was lying though. Remember I said I was poor? Hell, I'm balling. This is my bus, by the way. That was a whole act. That was just to proof the Grammys so you know I could get my Academy Award. But in reality, this is all mine. All these people is mine. I own every last one of these people on the bus.
How many people is it?
42 to be exact.
Dang.
All mine.
Real raw.
I don't even got a house. I live on a private jet. We fly around America as a party. What are you doing? What are you doing with your life? Huh? America, what are you doing? Watching me? Well, I'm looking at you laughing because you a joke. I got somebody picking my hat up every day to put it back on my head. I got somebody to wake me up every morning. Wipe the crust out of my eyes. What are you doing? He pressed the alarm clock for me and everything. Get the blanket off me. Everything. He even comes with me in the bathroom. He don't do nothing. He just supervises because you know somebody trying to shake me. And I'm scared.
Real raw.
All day. But man, this bus driver got one more time to hit a bump.
Hey, real talk though. Hey,
Yo, bus driver, you fired. She fired. Alright? I just fired her. This is her last ride. So she better enjoy it. She better crash. Because she not getting paid or nothing. But let me flip everything up for me. Let me talk about my other rapper. Hey, we in this is a gang though. Triple Threat. That's my gang. Hey, do some shout outs. Shout out.
Shout out. My mama. Everybody else. I like to do a shout out to my mama for bringing me on this earth so I can be the biggest gangster nigga I can be.
I give a shout out to all my friends to let me into this.
Hey, little squirt, yeah.
And being friends with me.
I want to give a shout out to Pookie, Nene, Shaniqua. I want to give a shout out to my mama, my daddy. Give a shout out to my back man. Give a shout out to Killer Cam. All the recommendations. You know, when I get my Grammy, I'm gonna just flip out. I'm gonna get all y'all that watch my stuff. I want all y'all to be on there. I'm taking y'all with me. Everybody is on my back. My city is on my back, and I'm carrying y'all to the top. That is the last time.
you're done. You're done.
Hey, handle it.
We'll get Triple Threat your head in the heart.
Hey, let's go hand out right now.
Let me finish this video while I go kill this bus driver. Hey, Triple Threat out here. Everybody,
30 seconds.
Triple Threat. Everybody get one last call and we out.
Alright.
Wait, before y'all go, I want y'all to get a sneak peek of my next mixtape that's coming out 30 minutes later after the 30 minutes of the last mixtape coming out. It's my singing album. Alright? Y'all ain't never heard nothing like this before except from Drake. But I'm about to sing, alright? But y'all can't see it yet. So y'all gonna see it later. Peace.